Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add zoom in zoom out in CapCut. So as you can see, this is our video and I am gonna use this for zoom in zoom out effect. Now select the video where you want to start the zoom in effect, and on the right side here you can see video speed animation adjustment, and and make sure you are on the video tab, and here basic, click on this. Now on the right side here you can see a keyframe. So for add keyframe, just click and our keyframe is activated. Now how long you want to zoom this, just drag it, and on the right side here you can scale it. Now let's apply zoom out effect. Here add keyframe, and drag it and adjust it. Okay, now let's play again. So this is how you can add zoom in zoom out effect in CapCut. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.